In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a report in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know how to open a report, tailor it to your needs, and export or schedule it so you can confidently share accurate information with your team or clients. Start by heading to the left sidebar and opening Reports. This is your home base for all reporting in Clio Manage. If you don't see it, you may need the appropriate permissions, so check with your account admin. Next, browse the list and choose the report you want to run. Common options include a billing report for invoices and charges, a payment report for money received, a calendar events report to capture scheduled activities, and a client productivity report for performance insights. Pick the option that best matches the question you're trying to answer, like, what got billed last month, or which payments came in this quarter? Before loading the full report, click Preview beside the report name. The preview is a quick way to confirm you've selected the right template and to see the high-level structure without committing to a full load. When you're ready, click Open Report in the preview window. This launches the full report interface so you can fine-tune what you see. At the top, use the customization tools to shape your results. Columns lets you choose which fields appear, so include only the details you actually need to keep the report clear. Filters narrow the results. This is where you set date ranges, limit to specific clients, matters, or users, and focus on statuses that matter. Groups help you organize the data, such as grouping by client, matter, or user, making patterns easier to spot at a glance. Take a moment to review the on-screen summary and the rows beneath it. Make sure totals and counts line up with your expectations. If something looks off, adjust your filters or columns until the report tells the precise story you need. When you're satisfied, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a format. Use CSV or Excel if you plan to sort, pivot, or analyze the data further. Choose PDF, US Letter, or PDF, US Legal for a clean, shareable snapshot that's ready to print or email. If you need this report regularly, select Schedule and Export to automate future deliveries. Finally, your report will either download immediately or be scheduled based on your choice. Check your Downloads folder or your scheduled delivery settings, store the file securely, and you're done. And that's how to run a report in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.